What's up guys, it's Myles with MYLESGINVESTMENTS, and in today's video we are going to be breaking down NIO stock, why NIO has been beaten down, and should you buy in at these prices. And one more thing, is NIO going to go down any further? In today's video we are going to be discussing each of those things, and we're going to be finishing it off with technical analysis so we can find out what is next for NIO. So make sure you guys stay until the end of the video so you can find out what is going on with NIO stock. Alright guys, my name is Myles with MYLESGINVESTMENTS, and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. This is my second YouTube channel that I just started. My other YouTube channel, I do mainly cryptocurrencies, but what you guys need to do is you need to make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. I call out massive and big plays before they happen because I'm a technical analysis expert, and I am able to, reading through the charts, basically predict what is next for a particular price or a stock. Also, go ahead and check out the Discord. We have over 400 members. We talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, and check out the Patreon, all of our classes to teach you how to do technical analysis, to teach you how to be a day trader, and I offer you my private trade alerts, which do amazing. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and go over some news with NIO stock, and we've seen NIO just get beaten down from $60 to we are in the $30 range, guys. We haven't seen $30 with NIO for a very long time, and I never thought we would see this day, but we are in basically a stock market crash. We are in a big correction in the stock market with the Nasdaq, with the S&P, with the Dow, but specifically EV stocks, growth stocks have been absolutely hammered. I am down massively on some of my biggest positions, but it is okay because these things are going to go back up, and NIO is not going to remain in this price for very long because NIO has so much great potential. And also what helped to push NIO down even further is a lot of panic selling because people were not getting what they expected. In the quarterly earnings reports, we actually saw some very positive things. We saw a massive increase of deliveries, and these deliveries are going to continue to grow. Their income continues to grow. They have so much cash on the side. It's a great company to invest in, and I love this stock at these prices because I thoroughly believe by the end of the year, still NIO will hit $100 or better. $100 to $120 was my price prediction last year. I'm sticking to it, and I've been a firm believer of NIO since $18 a share. But guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what has been going on with NIO, and we can see why is NIO stock down today. NIO stock has been beaten down today because there has been a sell-off in the market. The entire market has seen a massive sell-off, and I'm sure you have seen it by looking at your brokerage account. But look guys, there has been a lot of speculation because there is a possibility that the interest rates for mortgages could possibly rise. So whenever there is fear of mortgage rates possibly rising, especially because of the yields in the bonds, that can help to rise the interest rates. So what happens, a lot of people sell off their stocks. A lot of artificial price of the stock market dropping down. So when that happens, when the stock market artificially drops down because of news, because of panic selling, because of emotional selling and buying, and all of these things, it allows and provides for you, the buyer, a greater buying opportunity to purchase one of the best stocks out there at a very cheap price. So we are seeing a lot of stocks fall off because of this correction. And there's a lot of other reasons why the market has been correcting, because a lot of things are overvalued, a lot of things have been artificially inflated, and a lot of things have been brought up to such high levels that they need a cool off period because the stock market has gone up so very fast. So when the market goes up so very fast, there needs to be a cool off period so that the stock can have a little bit of correction, a little bit of selling off, and it provides more opportunities for more investors to come in and effectually bring up the price to even higher heights and greater all-time highs. All right guys, so what we saw in the market today was that, look at this massive gap down. That's fine, that gap is going to be filled. But what we saw today is NIO hit $37 and closed down there in the 30-minute chart. But what we saw today, guys, is a big reversal, a possible big reversal to the upside. So it really depends on tomorrow, Friday, and the next couple of days to see what happens with NIO. If we can continue this reversal from $37 to the upside, I see us making some big gains, guys. Some big gains, especially if you bought these prices. If you can purchase within these prices, we can see within a couple of weeks potentially 20 to 30 even greater profits, 30% profits in the relative short term. All right guys, so what we can see historically, NIO, we had a little gap up And generally, whenever you see gaps on a chart, they get filled, guys. It's almost 100% true that they do get filled. So we are just filling this gap, but we are seeing a level of support at a level $37. We are seeing a previous level of support, which we have come to test. We did not close there. So I believe that this is a very strong level of support. But if we break down, we can hit further levels of support, which would then be around $31. And then we have $25. There's other levels of supports within those levels that I mentioned. But I believe that this is going to be a very strong level of support for us, which provides for us a buying opportunity in these levels. If we can buy in these levels, we can easily come back up and retrace and hit $50. It is not very hard for NIO to hit $50 after bouncing off of $40, $41, $42. I've seen this a couple of times. But look, guys, if we look historically, when we came down here once again, and here it just got bought back up quick, bum every single time. But we are in a little bit of a different market condition. We have a little bit of selling off, a lot of panic selling, but I believe, guys, this is the golden ticket. This is the golden box for NIO to be purchasing shares. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share this video with some of your friends, and check out the Patreon and the Discord. We have over 400 members, and I will see you guys tomorrow.